Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Friday. Now, there will be no National Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year for 2020. This as the RJRGleaner Sports Foundation announced a revised version of the awards ceremony today. With the COVID-19 pandemic wreaking havoc on the sporting industry, the RJRGleaner Sports Foundation has decided not to give out any award for the National Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year for 2020. According to a media release sent out today, the People's Choice Performance of the Year Award, Category Awards, Team Awards, Youth Award, and ISA Schools Awards have also been cancelled for this year. Instead, this year's awards ceremony will be presented as a one-hour television package featuring a Lifetime Achievement Award, the Chairman's Award, and the Certificates of Merit. Athletes who had performances worthy of merit in areas where sports were possible will be highlighted at the ceremony. Chairman of the Selection Committee, Mike Fennell, explains why the decision was made.
As we all know, several events have been postponed or cancelled altogether. It varies from sport to sport because there are some sports that have continued at a reasonable level because of the nature of the sport. But for the majority of them, all events have been disrupted one way or the other. And therefore, as the chairman of the foundation, Mr. Gary Allen, explained this morning, when we looked at everything, it would not be fair, it would not be equitable, and certainly it would not be the right way to celebrate the year.
The event will also focus on the 60th anniversary of the awards under the heading Celebrating 60 Years of Sporting Excellence by honouring a sportsman and woman for each of the 6 decades. The 6 men and women will be drawn from those who have been winners of the Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year award over the decades. Chairman of the RJRGleaner Sports Foundation, Gary Allen, gave details of how the awards ceremony will be conducted.
There are considerations that we have at the moment about whether or not we will actually invite some of the awardees to come in individually and receive their awards and have that pre-recorded, or if we will do a combination of having some of the show or the substantial portions of the show being pre-recorded and then having responses from those persons who are awarded as a live input using the technologies during the show.
Allen also addressed the issue of whether the new format would affect sponsorship.
Sponsors themselves have some challenges. There are some that have already confirmed that they will be able to engage. Some of them may not be able to engage at the full level that they used to engage. It will also cost us less doing it this year, so we'll be able to make adjustments to suit them. So the process of engaging with our partners and our sponsors and finding out how much they can support and if their categories are there for support this year or if they will do it in another area.
The 60th edition of the award ceremony will be broadcast on Friday, January 22, 2021, beginning at 8:35 p.m. on TVJ.